Hi guys, in this video we will see how to enable or disable Copilot mode in Microsoft Edge browser. You can easily disable or enable Copilot mode in your Microsoft Edge browser. Here are the process. Launch Microsoft Edge browser first, and here from the top right corner click on three horizontal dot and choose settings. Click on settings. Thereafter from the top left corner click on three horizontal line and here choose AI innovations. Click on it. AI innovations. Click on it. Here you will find Copilot mode. Copilot mode, turn your browser into an intelligent companion that handles the busy work and helps you get things done. Turn the toggle button on to enable this, and if you want to disable Copilot mode, then simply turn the toggle button off. So from where you can easily turn on or off Copilot mode from here. Copilot new tab page, you also enable it. Explore journeys, your Copilot journeys also available here. Look at Copilot journey, sign in first, and from where also you can disable or enable Copilot mode from here.